Hey, how's it going? Jasper from Nomo here. Happy 2023. If you are building with no-code tools and you always wonder how you can very quickly get your designs figured out or replicate some designs from your favorite websites, follow these simple steps so you can quickly replicate designs with your no-code tools. First, go on Google Chrome, download and install CSS Peepers. This is essentially a Google Chrome plugin that helps you inspect the CSS, the styling of a particular website that you're on. Now, with that installed, go onto the website that you want to replicate the designs. Now, open CSS Peepers. You are able to click on any elements on the website now to see its styling, such as fonts, color, and also how things are spaced out. You can also check out all the assets used on the website as well. Now you have all the essential information to replicate the styles. Simply apply them in your no-code tools. And there you have it, a very quick video on how you can replicate designs to borrow some designs in the early stage of your no-code building journey. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips and tricks that you use to quickly get the designs ready in the early stage of your building journey. Until next time, ciao.